pick up some parts for the Avalanche airbag because it doesn't really work. Driving in Vancouver is so much fun. Yes, sir. So we got this, guys. It's pretty heavy. 2, 1, drop in. Waiting for Adam. His terrible, like, time management. Very bad.
Nothing. We don't see any fractures anywhere. Nothing's really, a little bit here actually, maybe around the icy layer, but not much.
Okay.
And then from the shoulder, and we saw a little bit of a drop here. Did you see it?
Yeah, but just a drop.
Just a little bit of a drop.
Yeah.
So that might be that this is that other icy layer. So this whole piece up here.
And it was below the icy layer, was it?
It was above. Yeah, it dropped below the icy layer on this part. So
because
4,
you remember it
5,
was softer
6,
slightly, right?
7, 8, 9, 10. So
2 cracks.
We had a little small crack here.
Yeah.
But then we had a very big fall right here, right?
And another one here.
Yeah, there were 2.
So, but it looks like it's a pretty significant amount of a slab snow, right? The first crack was at 105. So the first one, that wasn't as bad. So that's the thing with the Rockies is here.
So basically what you're saying, if I will, the temperature here, it's different than here and here.
Yeah,
Exactly.
so here. Way. 11 minutes already.
This is the so they still have 4 minutes.
But they don't even know where they're going.
Show me. Still breathing.
There we go.
Still breathing. Hey.
Body to body.
Here we go.